Hi guys, myself Sadashwamar. Today let's discuss about multivalue dependence. Introduction to multivalue dependence. Multivalue dependence are an important concept in database management system that extends the idea of functional dependence. While functional dependence describes relationships between attributes in a relation, multivalue dependence deals with relationships between the set of attributes. Definition of multivalue dependence. Multivalue dependence is a constraint between three sets of attributes in a relation. It is denoted as x, y, z, where x, y, z are the set of attributes. This notation signifies that the value of x and y are independent of each other, given the value of x. Understanding the three set of attributes. X, determinant. Uh, X is a set of attributes that acts as a determinant. In other words, it is uniquely determines the value of other sets like Y and Z. Role. The role of uh, X is the driving force behind the multi-value dependence. Changes the value of X will influences the value of both Y and Z. Example. In the relation with attributes A, B, and C, if if A determines the B and C, then A is the determinant, and any change in A will result the changes in both B and C. Y. First, multivalue dependence. Definition. Y is set of attributes that is a functionally dependence on Y. X. In the context of multivalue dependence, it is the first set of attributes that are influenced by the deterministic Y. X. Role. Y represents the attributes whose values are determined by changing in X. It is dependent on X, and any variation in X will leads to corresponding changes in Y. Example: if A determines B and A determines C, then B is a part of Y, and a changes in A will be affected to the value of B. Z. Second, multivalue dependence. Z is another set of attributes that is a functionally dependent on X. However, it is independent of Y. In the multivalue dependence notation, X, Y, Z. Z is a second set of attributes influenced by the X. Role. Z represents the attributes that are dependent on X but are not influenced by the changes in Y. It is deterministic, uh, distinct from Y, and modifications to X affects the Z independently of Y. Example: if A determines B and A determines C, then C is part of Z, and changes in A will be affect the value of C independently of B. Here is the example. Examples to illustrate the multivalue dependence. Consider a relation R with attributes A, B, and C. If A determines B and A determines C, but B and C is independent of each other, exists a multivalue dependence A, B, C. Significance of multivalue dependence in database design. MVDs plays a crucial role in processing of the database normalization. Normalization is a technique used to organize the data in relational database to reduce redundancy and the dependency. By identifying and addressing the multi-value dependencies, we ensure that our database scheme is in the normalized form, which leads to better data organization, integrity, and maintainability. Con- uh, Connection to database normalization. MVDs are typically addressing the during normalization process to achieve higher normal forms such as voice code normal forms and the fourth normal form. Achieving higher normal forms through normalization helps in minimizing data redundancy and dependency, which are essential for the well-designed databases. Importance of data integrity. Handling multi-value dependencies is crucial for maintaining data integrity with a relational database. Eliminating the redundancy and ensuring that data is stored in logically consistent manager prevents uh, anomalies and errors during data manipulation. Conclusion: multi-value dependencies are integral to designing well-structured relation database. Understanding and addressing MVDS during normalization enhances data integrity, prevent uh, unwells, and contributes to efficient information management. The connection between MVDS and normalization guides the systematic process of decomposition, resulting in databases that are both space efficient and logically consistent. While changes exist, the benefits of the normalized database structure informed by MVDS provides a solid foundation for scalable and adaptable system across various domains. Thank you.